In this video we will unboxing Sony a6700. Let's open the box. First we get warranty and basic setup guide. Next is camera body. Sony lens 18-135mm. Shoulder strap. Attach both ends of the strap onto the camera. Rechargeable battery 2280 mAh. Eyepiece cup for the electronic viewfinder. Microphone jack. When an external microphone is connected, the built-in microphone turns off automatically. USB Type-C for charging and connect to computer. Memory card slot. HDMI micro jack. Headphones jack. Battery slot. We will mount the lens on the camera body. Pay attention to the white dots on the body and the lens. You need to connect them and turn the lens. I will turn on the device. First we will set the language. You can connect the device to a mobile phone, but I will show that in the next video. Then adjust the date. Mine goes into the past because I lost the video in the wrong folder, so I'm posting it 1 year later. Next you can set is, auto power of temperature, to high, if you want the device to record longer, but the device will heat up more. Swiping to the left, right, up, calls out the touch function icon in FN menu. I forgot to show how to mount eyepiece cup for the electronic viewfinder. And for end, I will show you mounting of the external flash. I hope the video helped you. You can subscribe for free for new videos.